This shot I drink.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Right?
Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
Yo, welcome back to Snapshot. This right here is the Screaming Yoda.
Drink as strong as this.
We start with half an ounce of Jagermeister herbal liqueur, half an ounce of Midori melon liqueur, half an ounce of orange juice.
Oh, it's terrible.
This shot I drink. 90 from 0. Done.
Whoa.
Only once.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Right?
8.7 this is.
Oh!
It's creamy. There's something about the texture of it that reminds me of like a sweet potato, orangey-ish flavor, but one that feels like, I can't taste the alcohol in that, but it tastes like an orangey texture feeling of like a milkish, creamy-ish. It goes down very well.
I'm getting a pumpkin pie-ish type vibe from it. And it's weird because there is no pumpkin in it. It's orange juice and Jager. All the alcohol just gets drowned out. It's an easy way to consume alcohol. I'm giving this a 7 flat.
I really like this. I don't know that I'm quite at an 8.7, but I'm closer to an 8.7. Congratulations to him. If you tried the Screaming Yoda, let us know in the comments. Let us know what you think.
Subscribe and like, you will.
You know, if you're going to enjoy the Screaming Yoda, as always, please just do so responsibly. Cheers to next time.
Baby Yoda is a win prominent because of the meat. Let's make that clear.
And because of all the goddamn Star
The original 7. Yeah, well, but the Mandalorian
But
is
this
distinct.
is not called the Baby Yoda. It's called the Screaming Yoda.
I know, but all I'm saying is that Yoda, as he matured, was more prevalent in the original 7. That's all I want to make clear. Thank you, Ferbalicious Frontier. You get it.
The original 3.
There's 7. Well, when I'm saying the original 7, I'm saying what is the actual 7 episodes? What would you call that?
The original movies would be episodes 4, 5, 6.
Yes.
Okay,
A
so
New
what
Hope,
would you call
Empire
1 through
Strikes
7?
Back, Return of the Jedi. That's 3. What are the other 4?
Okay, well, what would you call all 7?
There were 9 total.
Dun,
They did them in sets of 3. They did episode 4, 5, 6. Then they came back in the early 2000s and did episodes 1, 2, 3. And then more recently they did 7, 8, 9. So I don't know where 7 you're talking about.
Here's my advice. Strong this drink is. Cheers.
We have the 3 very original movies, and then we have 3 more modern movies that were made in the 2000s.
Now we're at 6. It says the original 7. That's 6.
And then, you know what? I'm going to give up. I'm going to concede the Snapshot here.
I'll tell you this.
I'm not sure. But from what I remember, there